Hello, hello, welcome back to our one more brand new video. I hope everyone are doing so well. In our previous video, we already explained the process of Google Analytics 4 installation in our site. That's great that you already complete the installation process in your site. Now, did you know that just installing it isn't enough? If you don't change a few important settings right now, your data might be wrong. And if your data is wrong, you can grow your business or track your ads correctly. Many people make these simple mistakes all the time. But don't worry, in this video I will show you the most important GA4 settings you need to do immediately after installing the Google Analytics 4 on your website. To finish your GA4 setup correctly, you must do it for all of your GA4 accounts. Today in this video, we will explain about 7 different important settings. Here you can see enhance measurement, manage automatic event detection, Google Signal, data retention, filter out, connect accounts, and user identity. So don't waste your time and let's start the setup for our Google Analytics 4 accounts. Great, let's start with the first topic, and our first topic and the first important setting is enhance measurement. At the beginning, we should start working on it. To set up the enhance measurement, first go to your GA4 setting, then enter your data stream. To enter in your data stream, first click on the data collection section, then under the data collection section you will get this data stream. Click on it and yeah, here is your interface, data stream. Click on it. Okay, here you can see enhance measurement. From here you have to turn off this setting. Okay, here turn off this setting because we will manually handle all important events through the GTM. We don't need them. Okay, we don't need them. We will handle everything as per our need manually. Okay, so turn off this setting. Great. Now let's go to the second topic of important setting, and our next more important setting for GA4 is manage automatic event detection. This one is also related to the enhanced measurement. Okay, we don't want to set up or take any automatically created events from GA4 because we are a digital marketer. We will complete everything as per our need in totally custom way. Okay, that's why you also have to turn off the setting. To set up the setting as per our need, you have to enter your data stream again. Okay, your data stream again, and then you scroll down. For the next setup, click on this option, configure tag setting. Okay, after clicking on the configure tag setting, you will get your targeted settings, manage automatic event detection. Okay, click on it to proceed to the next step. From here, turn off all of them. If we need any kind of events, we will do them in a custom way through the Google Tag Manager. This is our second important work after completing the GA4 installation in our site. Okay, now it's time to go for the third important setting. Let's go. Our third setting is Google Signal and data collection. This option is one of the most important settings that you should make after installing GA4. Here you should make sure everything is enabled. This setting will be greatly assist you with your remarketing efforts. Also it will help you with audience creation under GA4. Also, if you enable this setting, it will help you mapping user activity. Okay, for some time user can come from different device and they can create events or activity from different device. So if you enable the data collection and Google Signal, then it will help you mapping this data. Yes, it's not perfect. uh, to solve this problem, you have to use user ID, but for some step it will help you to mapping. Also, if you enable this setting, then you will be able to perfectly get user age, gender, interest, and many things in your report, because GA4 use Google Signal to collect demographic data and many more things. So you can say that with enable this setting, GA4 will start working with your data and perfectly is mapping for better result. So enable this setting. Here, after enable this setting, don't forget to check it from here that all country is allowed or not. Okay, and then now one more. Here, user provided data collection, turn on this one also. Now from the user data collection acknowledgement, okay, do it also. Great. Now your Google Signal and data collection is ready to mapping your data perfectly and help you with a better result. Okay, so now let's go to the one more important setting. So our one more important setting is data retention. Through this setting, we can create a single instruction for GA4 regarding the number of days we want to store our collected data in our Google Analytics 4. If you want to increase the data, then again enter in your GA4 setting. Then in the setting, navigate to data collection and modification, and then select data retention. Okay, now from here increase your data retention from 2 months to 14 months and save. Now your data will be saved in your Google Analytics 4 for more time. Okay, great. Now let's go to the another important setting for Google Analytics 4. Okay, so our another important and the fifth important setting is filter out the internal traffic. Okay, here you will have to define your internal traffic. If you are unfamiliar with internal traffic, then take this example. You have a website, correct? There your internal team is working. For example, your social media team and your SEO team are frequently accessing your site to perform different tasks and create a wide range of events. So all of the events they create will be listed in your GA4. So definitely when reporting, you will dislike watching this type of events. That's why if you want to filter out these events, you will have to first define who your internal traffic is. In GA4, we can filter out internal traffic in many ways, but first we must identify it by the IP address. To do it, again enter in your data stream and scroll down to get this option, configure tag setting. Enter to this option to get the Next one. No internal. Show more. Here you can see define internal traffic. Okay, click on it. So now click on the setting. Here you can see the setting. First you have to write down the rule name, then write down value, and then as per your IP address you can define them as your internal traffic and then create. Okay, great. Now if you want to filter out internal traffic, then you have to enter in this section, data filter. Okay, when your internal traffic define will be done, then if you want to filter them from your reporting section, then you have to come to this section, data filters. Okay, from here create filter, internal traffic. Here write down one name, here exclude. Okay, and here write down the value. You was create the value in the time of your internal traffic define. Okay, write down the value here and complete the filter. So if you do it, then your filter will be start working, and every events that are coming from your internal traffic will be filtered, and you will get one really clear reporting section. Okay, from the reporting section you will get one clear report to work with your business. Okay, now let's go to the another important setting that you should done after install your GA4. Our another important work is connecting accounts with our GA4. Okay, after completing the GA4 installation with your website, now it's an important job to connect all your accounts with your GA4. For instance, you need to link your Google Ads account and your search console to GA4. Also, you should add all of your data source with your GA4. If you want to connect your other accounts with GA4, then try to create all of them with the same ID. The same ID means from the same Gmail. If you do it, then your work will be effortless. So you want to connect your accounts or Google Ads account, then from the setting navigate to the product links. Okay, product links section, then select Google Ad links. If your Google Ad account is linked to the same IDs as your GA4, I mean if your Google Ad account also created from the same email as your Google Analytics 4, then it will show here. From here, then you will be able to connect or link them with your site so easily. After linking the accounts, you can view all of the data in your GA4 advertising section here in this section. Okay, if you link your Google Ads account with your GA4, then here in this advertising section you can see a lot of data. Now the last important setting is, and here our last important setting is user identity. Okay, user identification must be correct in the reporting option. What I mean is, how do you indicate to Google Analytics 4 that this is a user? Okay, in this case you can configure it based on the new device, that every time when someone will visit on your site from a new device, GA4 can count them as a new user. But it's a big fault Okay, your reporting can be wrong. Also, you can do it in advanced way where GA4 use user ID, device, and model data. Okay, this one is advanced way to map it your user truly perfect way. Okay, so to do it, first come to under this data display section and then navigate to this reporting identity. Okay, from here select the first option. Now GA4 will start working perfectly with the user ID, device ID, and model data to mapping your data or user identity more perfectly. Okay, so if you don't enable the first one, then your reporting will be wrong really badly. Okay, so with this setting, our 7 important setting is now covered. Okay, so for you should do right after the GA4 installation. Okay? I mean, every time complete the GA4 account creation, don't forget to do it, or if you already complete your GA4 setting, then come to your GA4 property and check the setting how it's working. Okay, yeah, that's it. These all are important GA4 setting you need to fix in your GA4 account to avoid messy data or wrong data later. And don't forget to check our YouTube channel for more resources on tracking GTM and Goal Analytics 4. I hope the video will be a good concept for you. Subscribe for more tracking tips. So bye.